Want to know the deadliest martial arts that can turn you into a human weapon or leave you broken if you're on the wrong end? These aren't your gym class katas or movie stunts. They're brutal systems designed to dominate and destroy. We're counting down the 8 most lethal martial arts ever created, forged in war, streets, and blood-soaked rings. Get ready for a wild ride through combat's darkest corners. Stick around to discover which ones you need to learn or avoid to stay alive. Let's dive in and unleash the chaos. First, Krav Maga's a beast, designed to shut down threats with lightning speed and ruthless power. It's a no-rules mashup of punches, elbows, knees, and anything that works in a scrap. Special forces drill it because it's all about efficiency. Hit hard, hit fast, and get out. It's not pretty, but it's deadly effective every single time. This art thrives in chaos. Disarm a knife, crush a throat, or slam joints to dust. No hesitation allowed. It's built for real-world madness, targeting eyes, groins, and necks with brutal precision. Anyone can pick it up, beginners, pros, doesn't matter, and flip any fight in their favor. Master Krav Maga, and you're a one-person wrecking crew ready for anything. Third, Muay Thai, the limb destroyer. Muay Thai's the art of 8 limbs, fists, elbows, knees, and shins all swinging to obliterate targets. It's a stand-up juggernaut, turning your whole body into a weapon of mass destruction. Elbows cut like knives, knees smash ribs, and kicks chop legs down hard. This is striking on steroids, raw and relentless. Every limb's a loaded gun, ready to fire off pain at will. It's loud, it's fierce, and it's all about smashing through anything in your path. Every hit's a potential knockout. Crack jaws, splinter bones, or drop foes with one brutal combo. Clinch up, and it's over. Knees pound in, shins slam thighs to mush. It's explosive, unforgiving, and built for anyone who loves power. Master Muay Thai, and you'll bulldoze through any opponent standing in your way. It's the ultimate rush of force, pure, unfiltered, and ready to dominate every fight. Brazilian Jiu-jitsu or BJJ owns the ground. Size is irrelevant. Technique is everything. It's leverage unleashed. Choke out giants, lock joints, or snap limbs while they flail. Arm bars, triangles, guillotines. It's a submission smorgasbord ready to dominate. This art flips fights upside down with ease. It's all about outsmarting power with slick, calculated moves. Every hold's a trap waiting to spring shut on your opponent. Hit the mat, and BJJ makes you a silent killer. Calm, precise, and absolutely unstoppable. It's ideal for turning bigger threats into helpless prey in seconds flat. Military crews and cage fighters live by its control game. Learn this, and you'll rule any grapple with ice-cold confidence. It's the ultimate ground game. Lock it in and watch them tap out fast. At number 5, we have Systema, the Chaos Master. Systema's a wild ride, fluid, instinctive, and perfect for unpredictable brawls. Forget rigid moves. It's all about flowing with the fight and turning it against your enemy. Breathing, motion, and strikes sync up to mess with heads and bodies alike. It's chaos turned into a weapon, adaptable and fierce. This art's all about staying loose and striking smart every time. No patterns, just pure reaction dialed up to max intensity. This art's a ghost in combat. Redirect punches, twist wrists, and drop foes without breaking a sweat. It's less about brute force and more about outsmarting the chaos around you. Ideal for real-world messes, it keeps you cool under pressure. Systema's your ace when the fight goes off script and you need to win. It's the ultimate flex. Turn their energy into your victory fast. At number 6, we have Lethwei's the king of brutality. Bare-knuckle madness with fists, feet, elbows, and headbutts in play. No gloves, just wrapped hands unleashing pure, unfiltered punishment. Headbutts smash faces, elbows split skin, and kicks hammer through guards. It's a savage free-for-all built to break bodies fast. Every strike's raw power dialed up to maximum chaos. It's all-out war with no safety net, pure and simple. This art's all about raw destruction. Crack skulls, bust noses, and leave opponents reeling. Every strike's a finisher, designed to end things in a bloody flash. It's perfect for anyone who thrives on intensity and chaos. Master Lethwei, and you're a walking demolition machine nobody dares to test. It's the wildest way to crush any fight flat, unleash it, and dominate every round. Next, we have Kali, the blade dancer. From the Philippines, Kali is a weapons-based martial art specializing in sticks, knives, and improvised weapons. It was historically used by warriors to fight against invaders, emphasizing speed, precision, and adaptability. The system trains practitioners to strike vital points with maximum efficiency, making every movement potentially lethal. Kali techniques transition seamlessly between weapons and empty-hand combat, ensuring adaptability in real-world situations. It is widely used in military and law enforcement training due to its practicality in close combat. The art emphasizes fluid footwork, angular attacks, and quick counterattacks to overwhelm opponents. Practitioners learn joint locks, pressure point strikes, and weapon disarms for maximum control. Kali is not just about offense, it also focuses on defensive strategies to evade and neutralize threats. With its deadly efficiency and real-world application, Kali remains one of the most effective combat arts today. Next is Sambo, the Soviet crusher. Back to Russia with Sambo, a Soviet brew of wrestling and striking designed to smash enemies into submission. Sambo means self-defense without weapons, but it's a lie. It's a weapon itself. Leg locks twist joints to breaking points, throws slam foes like ragdolls. It's combat distilled to its meanest form. A Red Army vet once bragged, Sambo turned green recruits into killers. One wrong move and a neck's snapped. It's so effective, Russian special forces still drill it hard. In a fight, it's relentless, blending power and precision to crush. This is the art for anyone who wants to dominate, no questions asked. Sambo fighters are trained to absorb hits and counter with brutal efficiency. The art combines judo-style throws with wrestling pressure, making it unstoppable in grappling exchanges. Unlike traditional styles, Sambo doesn't rely on formality, only effectiveness. Its adaptability makes it deadly in both sport and street fights. With decades of battlefield testing, Sambo remains one of the toughest combat systems ever created. Enter Jeet Kune Do, Bruce Lee's rebel masterpiece, ditching tradition for what works, plain and simple. It pulls from boxing, Wing Chun, fencing, and more, all boiled down to efficiency. Lee called it the art of fighting without fighting. But don't be fooled, it hits like a truck. His 1-inch punch, that's real, and it's devastating. Watch his old clips. One kick sends guys flying, and that's no stunt trickery. It's lethal intent. It's about adapting, striking first, and ending it before they react. Modern fighters still study it, chasing that lightning-fast edge. Master this, and you're living Bruce Lee's legacy of destruction. Jeet Kune Do prioritizes speed, economy of motion, and unpredictability. It rejects rigid forms, encouraging fighters to flow like water and adjust to any opponent. Defensive moves are minimal. Why block when you can strike first? Every motion is designed for maximum damage with minimal effort. In a real fight, Jeet Kune Do is pure explosive efficiency, just like Bruce Lee intended. Here we are, some of the deadliest martial arts. Krav Maga's grit, Silat's claws, Muay Thai's wreckers, BJJ's ground game, Systema's flow, Lethwei's chaos, Kali's blades, and ninjutsu's stealth kills. Each one's a beast, built for battle. Which is for you? Street fight, ring, or survival? But remember, lethality isn't just technique, it's mindset. Train hard, respect the art, and walk with confidence. Smash that like, subscribe for more, and drop a comment. What's your weapon of choice? See you in the next one.